witnessing another Jamaican police attempting to make an arrest. This time, it's motorcycle police, and you will never believe. Greetings in the name of the Most High, Emperor Haile Selassie I the First. Ladies and gentlemen, you know it's your favorite Jamaican. It's Rastafari Soldier here on Hebrews TV. If you have not subscribed as yet, people, hit that red subscribe button and we're going to have a great relationship. I witnessed this chase earlier in the month, and believe it or not, people, it was comical, and I gave a thumbs up to the Jamaican police, although I wouldn't like this to happen to me. Listen, in my community, Pepper, a video showing a rider going on the police chase as they were taken out. INDECOM is now investigating the situation. Two police, each on a motorcycle, when it's seen in a video seemingly trying to apprehend riders who were apprehended later on. Now, the rider was occupied by, accompanied by a pillion. He was signaled to stop and did not comply with the police. The biker and the other person, the two men, appear to have developed some kind of skidding reaction as they reached the section of the road. See them and run them down there. They did not come to stop right away, but shortly after, it appears that the cops caught up with them. The pillion was observed on the side of the road, it appears. People were videoing. I don't know what they were proving, but the video showed later that the rider shaking on the ground in the bushes. It appears that the police them did a great job. Now, INDECOM has got hold of this video because a crowd was there, and of course they were gathering and was saying that the police had done something wrong. These two vigilant officers should be applauded because they actually brought these riders to the hospital. The police and the other men carried the rider. Now, I want to know for here what go on, because it seems like they want to blame the police them for something. And I think that these police did a great job. Ladies and gentlemen, let me know if you think the police them do something wrong.
No, we want to back a fresh or free.
Get me.
No, you're not determined. You don't say that.
It's automatic way by.
I think you're not trying to keep them.
Witnessing another Jamaican
Of course, you have a Jamaican from the town. What's that?
Yes, the bike developed a little bit of skin. Now this person videoing. See, he's trying to take him out the bushes because the rider fell in the bushes. Good job, officer. The moral of the story is, when authorities signal you to stop, whether they're at the side, the front, whether I'm going to say the back, stop. And you need to learn to listen to the police officers them.
You coming now? Yeah, come now.
There's a reason why they didn't want to stop in the people.
Video, come on, come now.
Either they were carrying something that was illegal, or the bike were illegal. You have to legal up yourself. Guarantee, if nothing else. They don't fear the police. Why would I run?
Fresh or free.
When the police signaling,
no, you're not determined. You don't say that.
It's automatic way by.
I think you're not trying to keep them.
Of course, you have a Jamaican from the town.
What's that? I am encouraging citizens to listen to the authorities, or you're going to be manhandled. They're going to deal with you rough. So if you like to play rough, go on to listen to the police. Ladies and gentlemen, I wanted to report on this. Witnessing another Jamaican police trying to make an arrest. And this involvement occurred in Pepper, St. Elizabeth, Jamaica, as INDECOM has got hold of this video and are investigating any wrongdoings by the police. But me, I tell you this, the police never do nothing. That was a beautiful apprehension. Any boy with things that them can run with bike from police. Members of the bike police, them skill. Some of them skill. We're not afraid of nobody. We're not afraid of police.